We are the one-handed video game controller team, and we are comprised of one computer engineer, two electrical engineers, one mechanical engineer, and one industrial engineer. The problem that we faced was that very few controllers are designed for one hand. Design is not always comfortable for the user, and the controllers tend to be expensive, which makes a high entry cost into the video game community. Our vision was to build a functioning prototype of a one-handed video game controller designed to increase accessibility for one-handed gamers at a lower cost in order to ease entry into the community of video games while preserving their comfort and usability. Our goals were to have a universal design for left and right-handed users, to be compatible with PC games, be lightweight and comfortable to hold, and to be produced for less than $70 at retail price. When gathering our data from experts in the field, we realized that this is an untapped market due to misconceptions held by the current industry that people with disabilities don't have enough money to purchase these unique products, which is frankly not true. New regulations and guidelines to increase accessibility of games have helped a lot into order of filling the void of this market. However, they've been postponed due to COVID. Games are becoming more and more accessibility, and we're seeing more red-green colorblind friendliness, increased audio cues, and more captioning. Unfortunately, accessible devices have higher prices as it's viewed as a specialized market, and custom setups can cost upwards of thousands of dollars. We found that users are used to making concessions and expect their needs not to be met even designed for them, which really impressed upon us the importance of this work. While we were brainstorming and benchmarking, we made sure to narrow down our designs and take existing controllers in order to create a list of engineering requirements. From these photos, you can see a lot of the iterations of our designs, including the current one we're working off of in the bottom left corner. When we were designing and testing, we designed the electronics and codes in tandem. We made the housing and ergonomic standards work with each other, and we worked with the customer to create a functioning prototype. Our expected result is to have one functioning prototype with plug-and-play capability and USB connectivity. It will have all the typical buttons and joysticks of a normal controller, as well as be ambidextrous and have micro USB charging port. We'd like to thank Matthew Giuliano, our client, for bringing us this project, Alan Dawson for giving us guidance along the way, Michael Bonanno for helping us test our product and make sure our user needs are met, the senior design department, and Jeff Bennick for sponsoring the project. Thank you.